Welcome to Knowledge Ascension. Today I'll be showing you how to buy Solana meme coins using Phantom Wallet step by step. I'll display each step on the screen. Make sure you follow everything carefully. First, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet installed. It's available as a browser extension or a mobile app. Create a new wallet or login if you are already having one. Next, deposit some Solana SOL into your Phantom wallet. You can do this by copying your wallet address and using an exchange like Binance or Coinbase to transfer funds. Once your Solana is in the wallet, head to Solana-based decentralized exchange DEX like Radium or Orca. Connect your wallet to DEX and search for the meme coin you want to buy. Enter the amount, review the transaction details, and confirm the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought a Solana meme coin. Remember to subscribe for more crypto tips.